Do you know how to zoom this? Can you zoom this? Oh! Okay, zoom it. I want to zoom Miles. What are you guys doing? Okay, there. Now. I want to go there.
I can't even see it. I can't even see the lighting. Down dark.
Well, how do you make it lighter? Okay, there.
Good job. Right there.
I see him. I can see him jumping.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Why don't you just take a picture?
No, I want to watch him jump.
Might that be okay?
Okay, now jump. Now, Miles, get ready.
No, he's gonna go.
There he goes. There he goes. There he went. Yeah, he's gonna be okay. Shut up.
My stomach hurts like really bad. Like,
Okay. Well, I can't go until he comes up.
hurry up, you idiot.
What's the kind's name? The little boy?
Miles.
I'm gonna punch you in the face.
Hey, you better leave your brother alone.